Hi, my name's Taylor. I'm the ESG manager for Kapitol Group, and I'm responsible for the overall development and implementation of our ESG strategy and the rollout of all ESG initiatives into our projects. So we are at our High Street Preston project, which is an 18-storey build-to-rent project.
Out in Preston, we've engaged Blue Diamond to supply our construction power. So out here, we've got a very limited access to high loads of power. So we only had a 63 amp supply, which wasn't going to be sufficient to supply all of our construction equipment, such as we've got 2 electric cranes out here, 2 electric hoists. So, big load equipment, and our power supply just wasn't going to do it. But the reason we looked at the amp over a diesel generator was when we forecast out the cost of applying our site for the duration of 12 months plus, we found that the diesel costs were extraordinary, whereas when looking at the entertainer, the consistent costs were much more feasible for our project.
The reason I liked the amped system is not only for the sustainability benefits, so the reduced carbon, the reduced fuel consumption, but also because of the reduction in environmental hazards associated with fueling multiple generators across a project, and also reduced noise. So both of these contribute to a healthier, safer construction work environment.
So the obvious savings so far have been diesel. Without a generator, we haven't had to apply diesel to run the site. Some other benefits have been the noise. We had complaints early in the project with our generators running before we had the AMP system installed.
So we've been working with Blue Diamond for almost 2 years now to progressively roll out this system across some of our new projects. And the reason we're doing this is because we are at the start of our decarbonisation journey, and we are looking for ways to reduce emissions and reduce our fuel consumption.
So far, Blue Diamond's been quite easy to deal with. We can monitor our battery online, any issues, we can watch our load consumption. It's all pretty cool.
Moving forward, I think there needs to be wider adoption of this type of technology in construction projects, because the construction industry does contribute so significantly to emissions and fuel consumption. It's really important that we start to look at different ways that we go about doing what we do, and considering ways that we can do this better, that doesn't cause harm to the environment and doesn't cause harm to people as well. It just is another step along the journey for operating a construction site without fossil fuels.